things that are godly look, and what is evil to look godly. It's so dangerous because it makes everything. You guys listening to what I'm saying? The spirit of Lucifer is so dangerous. It's so dangerous because it makes everything that is godly look evil, and what is evil to look godly. The spirit of Lucifer makes those things that are godly look evil, and what is evil, it makes it look godly.
It's so good. It's so good.
There was a time that the world wanted to see miracles. But now, because the spirit of Lucifer has entered people, when they see miracles, they credit it to Satan and not to God.
Yeah.
So meaning that God cannot perform these works, it's only devils that can perform these works. They have minimized God, thinking that they are protecting themselves from falling, but yet they have minimized God because they have praised the power of Satan to be above the power of God. Yeah. They have praised the ministers of darkness and not the ministers of God.
Lord have mercy.
When they see somebody prophesying,